Get your prostate check if you live in St. and its environs. From right here at St. Anne's Bay, and this machine can be inserted. And in a hot.
No man, we don't.
Oh, you know say in a hot.
Our patients give us good feedback.
Greetings.
Yes, still.
In the name of His Imperial Majesty.
My presidents don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, the line and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, you know, the man of peace. And me always I set the violence out of the streets, living love, unity and strength. You know what I mean? Life are the greatest gift. We all have one life and we have to live it to the best of our ability, you know? Do the right thing. So me I say live it clean and pure because nobody knows when is our last day on this earth. Yeah man, this is a sad one. Shock one, whole reggae dance, reggae fraternity and dancehall. Shook again, we lost another warrior. Another artist who paved the way, you know? Yeah. I mean, I thought BUZUMI, Rohan Bennett, Meshak. You see me determined, Jaja. Just get the sad news, you know? So the man drop out star. Shook up the whole heavens. You see me I say? Yeah, man, shook up the whole heavens, my viewers and subscribers. Great Meshak, determined star. Met him through JNR, you know? Yo, sad one, man. They see that big C there, that cancer, Jaja. You know what I mean? Sad one, man. I just want to send my condolence to his kids, them, you know? Runkus, you know what I mean? Paula, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Mrs., you know? Sad one, man. But before we get into determine, you know, he lost the battle with the big C, me here, you know, bowel cancer. And John was there a long time, years. Never, like it get worse and worse, you know? But one the man them for know say, yo, on the need for go get on yourself, check up, see, and we have to big up Mr. Tufton, Christopher Tufton. Yeah, watch that video, yeah.
Get your prostate check if you live in St. and its environs. From right here at St. Anne's Bay, and this machine can be inserted. And in a hot.
No man, we don't.
Oh, you know say in a hot.
Our patients give us good feedback.
So we insert it in the anus, in the
With
passage.
lots of jelly.
With a lots of jelly.
Yes.
You mean petroleum jelly?
KY
And
jelly.
coconut jelly. Oh,
Right.
okay. Interesting.
And
Yeah.
you can see it on the screen.
So they give you the sound waves.
And
And then you put the needle through that.
here.
And the needle would allow you to go in there.
And it shows us a picture of the prostate. That way we can numb the prostate and we can direct where we take our samples from.
So it's more accurate than the finger.
More accurate than the digital,
Digital diagnostic.
biopsy.
The only other place with this free is KPH. What we need to do is to make sure we have other hospitals that have it. 5 months ago, I did my digital rectal exam.
And it's not a
my urologist was a gentleman and a professional. And I went on all over road and he put me in my office and he deal with it and he said, you sound like you're alright, or should I say feel like you're alright, right? But I have to say to the men out there, please get the prostate check. Early detection save lives. Am I wrong? Alright.
Yes, man, you're right, man. Mr. Tufton, man. Early detection save lives. Big up Jamadl, you know. One Golf. Yeah, me just see you do your thing, brother. You do your check or your test, and you went in early and you got detected, and you know, a blessings, man. And with them, my brother, I say, yo, we need to talk, man, a topic, yeah, because you know, I do my test. I don't do the anus one, but you know what I mean, the more advanced one, because you have different types now. You don't have to do the anus one if you want. In England, let me attack, you know. But, you know, the first world country, the more advanced than Jamaica, you see me? But it's a good look. Big up Mr. Tufton. Yes, man. You know, to the man, the men them in Jamaica, sentence be a fine where that place that they and go do no test. My uncle do it where the anus one and him got him detection and the man is treatment now. My uncle are elder, you know, big man, I'm 60s, you see me? Same, I got 70s, you see it? Yes. So early detection save lives. Man up and stop talk, don't act, be stupid and act like say, oh, me not gonna do no test, me no want the man push up nothing on me anus. that is the doctor, male or female. You know, if you don't want a male do it, make the female them do it. Early detection save lives. You see me? So yeah. Determine bowel cancer. They said when I heard just now coming from work and I cool long and me I said, Jano, big up Dan Mafia. Dan Mafia first break the news to me. I couldn't believe, make 2 checks and them say blacker. You see me, confirm it and thing and Jano. You see me, I've got to reach out to him son Runkus. You see me. I say me determined close, determined bring me to chop back in, man. But we talk about that all the time. You know, when I just start the music thing, determined teach taught me a lot and you know what I mean, vibes, better energy, you see it? Yeah man. You know, sometimes I have him ways when head chip. You see me? But I don't know BUZUMI that. You see me? Jano, sad shocking news, you know? Sad and shocking star. Another reggae, lose another reggae star, you see me? Yeah man, determined, all who know, I've determined, some of them generation I may not know him, you see me, and the man that sing the big song, Kete Jump, he man be the man, go and look a snippet.
Kete jump, make me hear it sound.
Kete jump, make me run down road.
Yes man, and that song, yeah, every time I put it on the platform, I get strike, so you don't know, we can't play out the song. You see me? We get strike because several times we get strike for that song. You see me? Get that jump, be the man and determined.
Get that jump, make me hear it sound.
Shake it tambourine, make it up all frown.
Yes man, as I say when we hear the news, I say, I wonder if it's a little prank car, you know? A stunt car, you see me? If you see how the net are going to react, but a real thing, you see me? Yeah man, a real thing. You know, Blacker confirm it before he put it out. You see me, and Dan Mafia, it's a real thing, you see me? And right now, you can't rate my voice time. I feel it, man. The great BUZUMI gone, the first star. No longer with us, Jaja God, Father God. You know, Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, Rastafari star. Jano. Speechless, yo.
Get that jump, make me hear it sound.
Tell me what them a go do fi move Bob Marley crown.
Yes, man, I say a long time the man being the man and determined to pay respect to Bob Marley. When them a go do for move Bob Marley crown, up to this day they can't move it. Still I get Grammy, still the king of reggae, you know. Yeah man, when we hear the news, Meshak sad, couldn't believe, you know. Find it hard to believe up to right now, star. Yeah, you see me, I really made the man a reason, star. You see it? Yo, one of them see my line up some tour, you see me? And the want to put me up on it, you know what I mean? Want me forward in on it, you see it? Because you know we're there in Europe and man, I can move on them things, the star. Yo, I tell you, star. What if I history man with BUZUMI, man? What if I history, man? You see me? What if I history with BUZUMI? You see it? I'm going to share it with you, know. And I'm strong, right now, my Evans cheap. Yeah, I believe BUZUMI is no longer with us, determined Rohan Bennett. Yeah, man. Got a yard man, them come pick me up in them Camry. Bring my guy truck back. Jano star. Yo. So we have to live life and enjoy it, you know, man. You see me? Life is more valuable than vanity, gold, silver and gold. You have to live a lifestyle with your family and youth them. And just know, so go enjoy life until when our time forward, you know, star. But I don't know, long life and prosperity. And to the men them and the women them, check on your health. You see me I say? Don't just sit back and don't be afraid to go to the doctor and make the doctor do the proper checks. You see it?
Get that jump, make me hear it rebound.
The music what we love, and none of coffee we hold back.
When the music it make you feel no pain. Oh, yo, rest in peace, BUZUMI. Viewers and subscribers, stay tuned. See you forward later on. Blessed.